If you ever wanted to get away from the hustle and bustle of Atlanta, Georgia, or visit a French-inspired winery just minutes outside of the city, well, you must visit Chateau Elan. Chateau Elan is located in Braselton, Georgia. It's on approximately 3,500 acres with 6 restaurants, 4 different accommodations, a golf course, a spa, and of course, the winery. Here's all of the restaurants we were able to try. First is Louis' House of Bourbon. It's kind of a cross between a sports bar and a speakeasy where they offer their take on traditional bar food. Next is Petit Cafe, where you can get the all-important caffeine fix. They also have fresh pastries and pre-made sandwiches to go. Next up is the Marc Restaurant. Now, this was one of the best dinners that we had at Chateau Elan. Our pro tip is to book your reservation early because they fill up about 60 days out. If you can't get a reservation, you might get lucky and be able to snag a bar seat right when they open at 5 p.m. This next one is not a restaurant, but it's an experience that's worth mentioning. It's afternoon tea at Versailles. We enjoyed 2 types of tea and a mix of sweet and savory treats inside the beautiful atrium of the inn. Last but not least is Paddy's Irish Pub. This restaurant was built in Dublin, Ireland, and then reassembled at Chateau Elan in 1997. The food was surprisingly delicious, and we really enjoyed experiencing the Irish charm. Besides the delicious food and beautiful accommodations, we saw several weddings, lots of people at the tasting room for sampling and tours, and also people enjoying relaxing treatments at the spa, which has both an indoor hot tub and heated indoor pool. And finally, here's a tour of our spa suite. And here we go. So this is the Spa Loft Suite at Chateau Elan. One of the great things about this is that it comes with a half bath downstairs. It's beautifully decorated and very nice when both of you have to use the bathroom at the same time. Here you have your front entrance closet, you have your iron, safe, and ironing board in here, as well as complimentary robes to use. If you need a bigger size, you can always go down to the spa and ask for one. Then you have a sitting area with a large TV. It doesn't have a fireplace, which would have been really nice. On check-in, they're going to give you complimentary drinks. And then behind the sitting area, you're going to find the first half of your mini bar. It's got the snacks and the ice cooler and drinks that you can make. Then we're going to head upstairs. So this is why it's called a loft suite, because it's the only room that has an upstairs area where you're going to find the master ensuite. So king-size bed, super comfy linens and pillows, reading lamps on both sides. And here we have a fun little surprise. It's going to be a refrigerator for the second half of the minibar. And then the master ensuite bathroom is the reason we booked this room. You have a large trough sink instead of double sinks. And then around the corner, the most gorgeous shower with dual rain shower heads that are perfect for those romantic nights with your partner. See you next time.